Alright YouTube, today we're going to be showing you how to take the sorry, we got homie out here acting away. We out here chilling too. So, it's going to be fun. Today we're going to be showing you how to take a timing chain off and an oil pump. Definitely the first thing what you want to do is get these dots in line in time, especially if the timing chain's already on there. And make sure the first cylinder is flat. Pretty much this should be pointing that way, straight to the piston. And farther down too, you can see this key. It's supposed to be pointing straight to the piston too. But yeah, then we'll get to it and show you guys what's going on. First and foremost, you wanna make sure this key is on there. All right. Yeah, little homie's son helping us out. Well, actually, yeah, little homie. Oh, that's oil.
Huh?
That's oil.
That?
Yeah. I mean, you don't want to put your hand in the bag of oil. It'd be really dirty. No, because it's dirty. It's on the ground.
Ew.
But yeah, today we are going to be putting a timing chain on. Showing you guys how to put a timing chain on and oil pump. Like I said, you want to make sure this key is lined up with the piston, and this dot is going to be lined up with this dot on this sprocket. I will show you guys here shortly.
And yeah.
And what?
And we're gonna fix it.
All right, we're gonna fix it. We'll wait for your dad. I did, man.
He's going so hard that it's gonna break it.
Oh, let's see it.
Whoa, that is so cool.
Record your dad. Make sure he's in the shot. Make sure he's in the camera. You see the camera? This whole screen? It's already recording, but make sure he's in the whole thing. So you know, follow him. Make sure his head does not go above the top of the camera. Yeah.
Oh, what's like that?
Yeah. Sounds like
I'm following you. The camera's on you. Uh-oh.
Recording.
Wow, dramatic. Excuse me, man.
I have more to go.
That's gas. I'm following you. I did not expect that.
That's a 5.
Do that again. Hold this.
hold it. Yeah, I'll hold it for you.
I want you. Dad, do
All right, yeah, we're gonna be showing you guys how to put the timing chain on. Let's get to it. We got the homie out here helping out. Well, actually, he's doing work. He ain't even helping now at this point. He putting in that work. But yeah, we're gonna get straight to it. First and foremost, we definitely want to make sure we got the bearing on there. You don't want to forget the bearing.
put it on.
Wow, dude.
You don't want to put it on.
explain that stuff.
Who's
again.
gonna put it on?
Put what on?
The baby.
No, stop. Wait. You both can't do it wrong, Avery.
Got to do.
Oh, wait, no.
Hey, stop. Get that out of there, bud.
Why?
Cause you can scratch it.
Like that. What did you want?
Hey, bud.
Okay, no.
I mean, we could forget the bearing,
Oh, no.
but I think the chain is something we might really need.
Oh, buddy.
I did not put anything. I do not know.
Which this one?
Where's the other wrench? The one next one?
All right, we're gonna go down. We're gonna go and torque these down to
26.
26 pounds. But yeah, 26 pounds. And you definitely want to soak this stuff in oil, guys. Even this chain has bearings in it too. Alright, timing chain is successfully done. We're gonna put the oil pump on now. And we soaked all this stuff, but we had to take it back off. We got new bolts. And this is gonna be torqued down to 18 pounds. Those keys. Those keys are aligned too. This one.
Like that?
Yeah. Yep. Fixed them right the other day. It was a little long. Yeah, anytime you're doing an LS swap, you definitely want to replace the oil pump and timing chain. And cam, if you can. And cam bearings. We picked up this torque wrench over at Harbor Freight. Shout out Harbor Freight.
You get a lifetime warranty, give them your phone number, or else it will never grant it.
Yes.
Write it down on the tool, because if you change it, you're SOL.
And if you ever pull a torque wrench out the cupboard or shelf, make sure it works before you start working on an engine. That's definitely a key rule. And yeah, 18 pounds. Get the oil pumping in that boy. We're gonna be showing you guys a lot more videos of building this. I know this is kind of like our first official looking video. Yeah, we got a race car. We're ready. 2024. See you guys off Flat Rock. And thanks for tuning in. Yeah, I mean, we really didn't go over fine details, but man, it's just a process, dude. 18, 26 foot-pounds. Make sure it's in line. Your pistons, piston cylinder, the weight is all the way up. And yeah, that's money, right?
Yeah.
Done.
If you get it wrong, just do it again.
Yeah.
Maybe again.
Yeah.
And again.
And again, and till you get it. Peace out.